Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.